Part 1. Connect the stainless steel frame. Put all the parts on the floor. Link the connecting blocks between two rectangle steel brackets. Tighten the hex head screws with flat washers in the dedicated holes. Repeat the same procedure in the left rectangle brackets. Tighten all the hex head screws with the hex key properly. Connect a half U-shaped frame to the rectangle steel with hex head screws. Align two half U-shaped frames. Use the screwdriver to fix the bolt. Tighten the eye bolts inside both half U-shaped frames. Repeat the same process on the other side. Make sure all hex head screws are fastened in place. A finished frame. Part 2. Oxygen chamber bag installation. Place the chamber bag between the frames. Two people lifting the bag will be better. Take out the quick steel chain. Loose the G-shaped locking. Fix the end to the chamber bag. Hook the carabiner end to the stainless frames. Screw down the positive pressure gauge outside the chamber bag, the negative pressure gauge inside the chamber. Take out the mattress and the pillow and unroll them inside the chamber. The oxygen chamber bag is ready. Wet plastic strip at the bottom of the air compressor should be pulled out and cut over. Band at the bottom of the air concentrator should be pulled out and cut over as well. Part 3. Pipes and tubes installation. Attach air tubes to the quick release connectors in the chamber bag according to each pipe's diameter. Connect the largest tube to the air in the back of air compressor. Connect the smallest tube to the CO2 in the air compressor. Connect the largest tube to the oxygen concentrator. Connect a single air tube to the H2O in the back of the air compressor. Another side of the single tube is for draining. Connect the power coils. The installation is completed. Part 4. Start your journey of HBOT. Check all the valves are tightened properly. Zip up the zipper inside and outside. Press the power button of the air compressor. Press the button 3 times. Press the power button of the oxygen concentrator. Enjoy your time.
Zoe, your healthcare specialist.